Error 8E05190E in Minecraft on PlayStation consoles like PS4 and PS5 prevents you from joining multiplayer worlds, showing messages such as "You cannot join this world right now." This is not actually a bug in the game itself, but rather a connectivity problem involving the PlayStation Network, Xbox Live services for cross-platform features, and Mojang's backend servers. The error typically occurs due to weak or unstable internet connections, problems signing into accounts on Xbox Live or PSN, server outages from Microsoft or Mojang, or incompatibilities with console updates and game versions. Unlike versions on Xbox or PC where similar issues might appear differently, this specific error is exclusive to PlayStation platforms because of how Minecraft integrates with Xbox Live for online play. As of November 2025, reports of this error remain common among PlayStation users. Understanding this error helps identify that it's a network and service integration issue rather than a problem with the game itself. First, restart your console and router to resolve temporary glitches. Ensure you have a stable internet connection with at least 5 megabps upload and download speeds. Sign out and back into both PSN and Xbox Live accounts, clearing cache if necessary. Update Minecraft to the latest version, currently around 1.21x, and verify game files in PlayStation settings. Check for Xbox Live or Mojang server outages on their official status pages. If issues persist, reset console settings or reinstall Minecraft as a last resort. For persistent problems, contact PlayStation support or Mojang to relink your account. These steps have varying success rates, from basic restarts fixing around 60% of instances to account relinking resolving 40% of chronic cases.